Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be looking for some alternatives of the word bad and how to use them in a sentence. Let's do this. Evil. He hurt her on purpose. It was evil. Cruel. He left his cat for a week. He is so cruel. Barbaric. They fought in the restaurant. So barbaric. Ruthless. The boxing match went in his favor. He was ruthless. Atrocious. Seeing them attack each other verbally in front of everyone was atrocious. Monstrous. To me, talking about your brother in front of people is monstrous. These alternatives vary in the intensity of the meaning and the strength of the emotion you exhibit towards a person or a situation. Be careful when using them so that you don't overreact. Tune in next week for another English video, and don't forget to subscribe and share.